More people are working from home than ever before. Cubicle walls are coming down. What people want is more functionality, more mobility, and more connectivity from their desks, at home and at work. Elevate your workspace with the Airlift Electric Sit-to-Stand Adjustable Desktop Converter. Our desks are designed to promote active behavior at home and at the office by making it possible to adjust between sitting and standing throughout the day without losing productivity. Go from sit to stand while you work with the touch of a button. Simply plug in and turn any desk or table into a height-adjustable workspace. Stay connected with the built-in USB charger and smartphone tablet stand. Install the keyboard tray for a fully functional 2-tier workstation. Airlift sit-to-stand converters are large enough to fit dual monitors, laptop plus monitor, and ultra-wide monitor setups. Give yourself the opportunity to stand up while working and improve your health little by little each day. Live well. Live Airlift.
Meet the Veridesk Pro Plus series, our most popular sit-stand design. Its 2-tier design offers workplace comfort with an upper deck for monitors and a lower deck for your keyboard and mouse. That means all your components come with you as you move between sitting and standing. And the simple 2-handle design and spring-assisted lift make them incredibly easy to use. It only takes a few seconds to adjust up or down to 11 different height settings. Just like all our desktops, every Pro Plus model comes fully assembled and ready to use right out of the box. Just place it on top of the desk you already have and you're ready to work. There's a variety of durable laminate finishes to choose from, as well as 3 sizes to fit different desks and accommodate single or dual monitor setups. And Veridesk is constructed with industrial-grade materials, so it's built to last. Our full line of Veridesk accessories helps you create a complete sit-stand workstation and a healthy, active workday. The Pro Plus series from Veridesk. Work elevated.